Hello, beauties. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and most effective products to elevate your skincare routine. If you've ever struggled with sensitive, irritated, or stressed out skin, you know how tricky it can be to find something that truly calms and nourishes without overloading your skin. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews and beauty tips. Today, we're looking at the FARMSTAY CICA Farm Recovery Ampoule, a hydrating, calming gel ampoule that promises to soothe sensitive skin while delivering a boost of hydration. This 250ml ampoule is infused with Centella Asiatica Extract at an impressive 24,499 ppm, which is known in the skincare world for its healing, anti-inflammatory, and skin-repairing properties. It also contains vitamin capsules designed to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. From the moment I opened the bottle, I noticed its lightweight gel texture. It's smooth, non-sticky, and absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. Incorporating it into my daily routine was effortless. I used it morning and night, after cleansing and before moisturizing. What I love is that it layers well under other products, so it doesn't disrupt serums or creams that follow. I also tried it on a particularly sensitive day when my skin was irritated from environmental stress, and the soothing effect was noticeable within minutes. The vitamin capsules add a subtle glow, making my skin look healthier and more balanced overall. The texture and feel are definitely a highlight. It's silky yet hydrating, and my skin never felt heavy or greasy. One small con is that, because it's a gel ampoule, those with extremely dry skin may need to follow up with a richer cream to lock in moisture. Otherwise, it performs beautifully for a calming and hydrating boost. Looking at value for money, this ampoule is on the higher end in terms of volume and price, but considering the concentration of Centella Asiatica and the added vitamins, it feels justified. You're getting a potent, multifunctional product that addresses sensitivity, hydration, and overall skin health, which would normally require multiple products in your routine. Compared to other Centella-focused ampoules I've tried, FARMSTAY's formulation stands out for its sheer concentration and the inclusion of vitamin capsules. While some other brands offer similar calming properties, this one feels more luxurious and substantial in terms of texture and hydration. The packaging is simple yet functional. The large 250ml bottle makes dispensing easy, and the ampoule maintains its stability well over time, ensuring that you get consistent results from first drop to last. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally interacted with FARMSTAY's customer service, but the brand is generally known for reliable support and responding promptly to inquiries, which adds confidence when investing in their products. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, other Centella Asiatica ampoules exist at lower concentrations, but they may not offer the same level of soothing or the added benefits of vitamin capsules. If sensitivity and repair are your primary goals, this one is worth the investment. Overall, the FARMSTAY CICA Farm Recovery Ampoule delivers on its promises. It soothes irritated skin, provides long-lasting hydration, and leaves the complexion looking healthy and radiant. It's ideal for anyone with sensitive, stressed, or easily irritated skin, and it integrates seamlessly into most skincare routines. While slightly pricier, the performance and formulation justify the cost. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this ampoule, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. The link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.